there everyone, this is Jen from Altenew, and today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to apply one of our brand new wall decals. Now, although I'm calling this a wall decal, it really is a multi-surface decal, as I'm going to show you in the video. I don't have a lot of great wall space in the place that I'm renting right now, so I thought it'd be fun to put this beautiful decal, which is from our Rose Clusters large decal set, onto my craft desk. Now I'm going to be starting out by just unrolling the large decal, and it comes on a release sheet followed by the decal, and then on top is a transfer paper. And this is sent to you rolled up to keep it nice and safe and protected from creasing or bending. So once I unroll it, I'm going to select the image that I'd like to apply, and then I'm going to just cut it out. You want to be careful just to cut closely around the decal, but without cutting through the decal itself. You want to be pretty close to it so that it's easier when you're deciding placement later on. Once I have my selected image all cut out, I'm going to rub over the surface pretty firmly. This is going to ensure that it has good contact with that release paper. Now we're ready to apply the decal. I've made sure that my desk is both clean and dry to make sure that the surface is ready to accept the decal, and then I decide on placement. Now I have to apologize that my camera is a little bit high up here. I didn't realize until later when I was editing the video that it wasn't really quite centered, but hopefully you should be able to see the process fairly easily. Once I have my placement all figured out, I'm going to remove the decal by peeling up on that transfer tape. The decal should come along with it. If not, just gently coax it and then you should be able to peel it up very, very easily. And I'm just going to decide on exactly where this should go. Now you can see the first few times I actually did not get the decal in the place where I wanted, but it's fine. This is removable and repositionable decal adhesive, so if you make a mistake, just peel it up and try it again. Once I have my placement figured out, I'm going to go over the surface of the decal with the plastic tool. If you don't have a plastic tool like mine, you can definitely use a credit card or even just your hands. You want to make sure though that you're ensuring good contact with the surface. Now you can peel off that transfer tape and admire your work. Now when I did this, I was so upset because I did see that I had a huge ripple going through the entire decal. Now I think that it was an issue with the way that the transfer tape was on the decal itself, and I was not careful to make sure that that was smooth before I applied it. So this was a pretty simple fix. Again, it's nice that I was using a smaller image, but all I did was take that paper, the transfer paper or transfer tape, and I put it back onto the decal, and then I used it to help myself peel off the top left edge of that decal so that I could reposition and make sure that it was smoothed out without that big ripple. It really only took about a minute or two to adjust, and it made the results so much better. And again, that is one of the benefits of having this repositionable adhesive on the back of the decal, is that you can change it up if you'd like. You know, if you get tired of it, move it somewhere else, or if you do what I did and make a mistake in application, then you can definitely fix it with no harm to the decal itself. Now you'll also see that I got a bubble here, which I just easily prick with a small pin and then smooth out to release that air. I hope you enjoyed seeing how really easy and beautiful these decals are, and how quickly you can transform something like a simple white desk with the use of a beautiful design. Hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.